Hello my friends, how are you today? I do want to show you today how to writing on the screen board of our mobile phone with our finger, so that it simplifies the writing ability, writing challenges, and how can we write a printable document on our phone with our finger. I will show in very simple steps. So I will have two simple steps to show this. Just follow me. So first you have to install the application which is appropriate for this writing part. To do so, we can start up with opening the Play Store in our mobile phone. Just in a space provided to search application in the game, we can write in here that just writing a keyboard, just for the first time here, keyboard, to find out the best keyboard to write up with our finger. Okay, now let me off this. Here is a keyboard Amharic size, keyboard Amharic, English, whatever you can select, and just from these options I will show you that which is appropriate. Here from this all, just install this application, this one. Let me show you here. This application, you can choose this application. Okay, after choosing this application, just download it and install in your mobile phone. Check that the connection is active. X now is opening and I'm installed here. So first you have to click once and install it, and just open this application. I installed here. You can see here installed. Then go back to this to exercise this application. Just open any application that you can write up with a keyboard. For example, open a message application and just try to write something on it. So here is a space provided that type, names, phone number, everything it says. Just in a space provided in this space, you can click on this space, and just when you click on it, the keyboard appears. But it is for you for the first time. This is my installed keyboard, but I will show you when the keyboard appears. You can click on setup, and here you can click here again on this space, on this application, on this icon. You can click. Okay, let's click. When you click this icon, you have a number of options. There are a number of keyboards you can use, whichever appropriate for you. But for today's lesson, when you're going to write your text on your finger, using your finger, you have to choose the option which is called, the option that is I selected here. Just let's select this, and this you have to select this one, which is called the Chelsea. Okay, you have a number of options which do have another function I will show you later on. But for today's lesson, you have to choose this function or this keyboard which is called Chelsea. So here I select basically writing. So let's continue. After selection, you go back. So now we are going to write up with your finger. So just click on whichever applications that you are going to write up something. So I'm going to write up a message for certain people. So and the space provided here, click once, and here is the keyboard. So actually you know that the keyboard is with words that you can write this like this, but today we are now going to write up with our finger. So here is the application appears immediately after installation of the Chelsea keyboard. Let me show you. Here is, do you see this one? This one, you can select this one. When you select this one, for a few minutes, it might delay downloading, and you have to wait for until it finishes downloading. Already I'm using my application and it's downloaded, so it might ask you a few minutes to until to finish its download, so you have to wait until and check that the network is active. After this, you do have a space provided to write up now. Now you can write up with your finger just like hello, and immediately a space provided which is comes the hello world. So let's write up now. Brothers and sisters. It brothers and sisters. Immediately after we write up with our hand, this application provides you with a clear text which is very simple and simplifies your time. It takes less time to write up with your finger. This is a very simple technology with aid of AI. Now, I think you are very interested with this lesson. So please, if you are not a member of my channel, subscribe my channel. And if you are a member of my channel, just like and share. And just provide your comment on the space provided in your comment. I will check. And I will come back with a very simple technology again. Bye bye.